Monster Music, independent music label, and our first single is coming out soon.
Yeah, bakit we try to venture in that business?
We're in the business, so it's not just on camera, it's also off. So we opened a production studio 5 years ago, our studio 3 a year ago, and now the music label. So we're in the advocacy of artists being also business savvy, not just in front or on the mic, but also kumbaga alam nila anong nangyayari dun sa likod. Kumbaga transparency and collaboration is very important.
Okay. But a question lang about this, no? Ano yung pinaka-product ng ECE na pinaka-favorite mong gamitin?
Nothing specifically, but I'm just here to be the guest of honor and to represent a local brand. We should support local. It's very important. Yung mga local brands serving other local businesses is very important. So sana masuportahan natin ang local economy para lalaki yung mga local businesses.
And you're using this in your business, right?
Yeah, this is the first time I'm here seeing this brand, so I'd like to explore the brand more and what they're doing and hopefully use it for my other businesses.
Okay, but I hear you just came from Harvard, tama ba ako?
A few months ago.
Kamusta pag-aaral mo doon?
Very nice. It's my second course in Harvard. Very nice and enlightening, no? And it's good to share it to my company and my employees also.
What is your course there?
My first was negotiation. My second one was creating brand value.
Why did you decide na mag-aaral mo doon?
Education is important. Studying education and always to explore and expand what you know and learn more and share it with your people.
Birthday kasi ni Sarah, how do you celebrate your birthday?
Cooking pasta.
Ayun lang ang ginawa nyo? Babies! Babies, wala pa ba?
Babies? Wala pa nga.
SG owns her own music na.
Yes.
Wala na sa Viva.
Still with Viva. Viva is our management, but we own the music now.
Thank you, ma.
Salamat, ma. Thank you.
And it's very, very inspiring. So congratulations. And of course, your wife. Sa lahat ng employees ng EC, magandang umaga po sa inyo lahat. Magandang umaga! I was just in the backstage kanina listening to his backstory, and it's extremely inspiring. 2019, he started this brand. He left college to open this brand, and it's now 2025, extremely successful with his third trade event, and it's very, very successful. And what's very inspiring is that it's a local Filipino brand. Yes. Filipino Cebuano.
Yes! I know, very close to heart.
Yeah, but Filipino, so I'm very proud to represent this brand today, and I hope I continue representing this brand because it's a very inspiring brand. And I pray that it will not just conquer locally, but globally. So congratulations and more power to Easy. Maraming salamat. Hi, Ma'am.
Medyo kinikilig pa yung aking co-host sa presence nyo. But anyway, so maybe we can have a couple of questions from our media partners here. But we're gonna just limit it to two.
I have to say something.
Yes.
The coffee machine is very nice.
So,
yeah, I'm very excited to taste if ever in the back later. But it's very nice. San Remo, very, very nice.
may pa-shoutout na kay Mateo. But then again, we're opening the floor to our media partners for a couple of questions para po kay Sir Mateo.
Sige po. Ayan, Sir Mateo, ayan. Ano po ba yung favorite dish na niluto niya kay Miss Sarah? Kasi she's very fit, diba? So, meron ba siyang restriction sa mga diet niya or what?
My wife actually, she's pescatarian for 10 years. Myself, I'm a wife-atarian. I eat whatever my wife eats. But we try to always eat healthy, eat clean, and I'm very excited to get to know your products more because they're all FDA approved, all halal. So it's very fascinating and it's very exciting to actually start using this for my concept stores. And I'm very excited actually to see, and Chef Boy Logo was explaining to me kanina, yung iba't ibang chili sauce yun, teriyaki sauce. So it's very exciting to actually try them for the future.
Very easy na gamitin mo.
Very easy and very good and very quality.
Yes.
Yun yung maganda.
Very good siya.
May good news ako sa'yo, Mama.
Yes.
Kaya hindi na ako paano na kayo na daw magtatanong kay Sir Mateo, hindi na daw yung mga media partners natin. So bibigyan namin kayo ng moment to talk about things.
Bakit hindi ako ready? Ako yung may ready na questions.
About the birthday. Ano pa
Ano ba
tanungin?
yung fast talk ko ba
Ano
siya?
pa tanungin? Ano tanungin eh?
Kasi hindi ko na fast talk.
Anong pa tanungin sa kanya?
Fast talk kita ngayon?
Pwede. Ang galing mo talaga, mama.
Product.
I asked them kayo na Bisaya ka ba? Sabi ko, taga Manila.
Yun lang,
Magaling
doon na lang yung isa. Basta ngayon. Pero mamaya doon. Pwede na.
Hindi ko kasi number.
Sige.
Sir Tony, pwede mo
Ako po lang po question dito sa ating event ngayon. Marami mga Filipino entrepreneurs.
Kinakabahan ka naman sa
negosyante.
Yun nga, kaya nga sinalay mo, baka naman yan.
explore the opportunities. Now, Sir Mateo, you know, being in the food business for quite a while, what things that you would like to give advice para sa ating mga entrepreneurs?
I think yung pagpasok sa akin sa food business was a coincidence. It started 10 years ago. Show business talaga ako, but because of passion and love for food, I started 10 years ago. And my restaurants there, I'm opening my third in Alabama, fine dining in a restaurant end of the year. But my tip para sa ating
Pwede
mga
naman.
entrepreneurs, local entrepreneurs, is love what you do what you love, and give everything you have. No? Kumbaga, kapag mahal mo talaga isang bagay gagawin mo, lahat para makuha ang pangarap mo. And it's very important
Nilalive ko, Marsha.
partner with trusted suppliers. This is very important. Trusted, quality, credible suppliers that can help your business grow. So actually, sobrang amazed ako today to see Easy brand grow like this. And it's a new brand, but it's a trusted brand. I can see, we're very intimate here, but I can see next year we will become bigger, and the years to come will become bigger.
Yes.
Madami.
Oo, mamaya sa Mateo, mag-ikot ka.
Mabait
Tignan mo
naman yan,
lahat
friend.
dito sa site
Kaibigan ko
ng
naman
mga
yan.
beverages.
Kasi nag-umpisa kayo with milk tea.
Ako bahala.
Ngayon lahat na.
Lahat na, opo.
Galing.
Lahat na, as in lahat. Inumin mo na ngayon panulak na.
Because there was di ba? There was a time na ang milk tea ay napaka-trending. So talagang pumasok.
Oo, tapos yung
Kabahan, Justin?
ano ka partner ng food ng milk tea. Ayan
Ano?
na, kaya.
Ano yun?
Mas kilala ko kayo.
Ikaw ah.
Mamaya doon.
What's up tayo?
Magaling ka rin pag ano.
Ano? Tawa ka talaga sa hindi ko sa'yo.
Ito. Bigyan na natin.
Tinawagan ka ulit.
Marami.
Ganun talaga kasi dapat mag-speech ka, di ba? Magbibigay ka ng
The
ano.
coffee is new. You just
Yes.
launched your coffee brand.
Yes,
I'm
opo.
excited to taste that later.
Later.
This is local beans
Yes, sir.
from
From ano? Ha?
Sakaling yung
From likod bahay namin.
Benguet. From Benguet.
Oo.
malungkat pa din.
So it's nice you're really supporting all local
Yes,
products.
local mo talaga lahat. Magsaka mo sa
Cut na daw. Sabi ni Ate, cut na. Okay, enough talking.
Natuwa, the next story, natuwa kasi sa akin, natuwa sa amin si ano. May time may
Ang
nagagdas.
dad ni Kuya dyan. Sana. Kuya, okay ka na dyan?
Mukhang okay naman si
Okay,
Sir.
sige.
Okay, last few words, Sir Mateo.
Again, maraming
Wala pa, sure.
salamat,
Wala
Easy,
naman.
everybody here for the program. More power to you. More power to your businesses. If you're starting up a business, a food business, more power. God bless you guys, and I wish you
Papayag ka
all
ba
the best
dyan?
for this. If you're watching online, check out Easy because the brands here, the products here are incredible, and I'm very excited to even get to know them even more. And again, to Global Pacific and Easy, congratulations po sa inyo. I'm looking forward to bigger expansions, bigger things for you guys. Congratulations. Sir, congratulations. Madam, stay beautiful forever.
Thank you so much, Sir
Thank you,
Thank
Mateo.
you so much, Sir
Thank you, ma'am.
Mateo.
Maraming salamat. And to our chefs, more power to you guys. God bless. Thank you very much. Salamat. Thank you.
Okay, a round of applause to Mr. Mateo Gaducelli.
Alright! Wow! And we are just starting, Miss A!
Bakit ganun?
Bakit? Medyo
Wala
naman-
sa script yun ah. Nagulat akong
Ganito
bigla.
ka, welcome to the live show! Yes!
May pakaway-kaway akong ginagawa.
And sasamahan po tayo ni Miss A through some of our segments later
Yes,
on.
okay. So,
Okay na, pwede na?
yes, mag-exit na ako.
Ay, tumalok ka lang.
Now, ladies and gentlemen, this event will not be possible.
And next is the co-founder of Evolve University Class, an experienced entrepreneur and leader in the hospitality industry with a passion for delivering exceptional guest experiences and driving business success. The owner of Campus Saigon Philippines and Sweet Apple Creation Pizza Shop, let us all welcome Miss Apple de los Santos.
Hello, Miss Apple! And last but certainly not the least, a vibrant Filipino chef who's of course known for his shows like Idol sa Kusina and Kusina Master, has been recognized globally and has been been the brand ambassador of EC Pro since 2022 pa. Grabe siya na ang face.
High school pa lang.
Oh. Now, he is really further solidifying his space in the culinary industry in the country and outside the country as well.